Hi my dear art fairies, and welcome to our new tutorial about these brush pins. And let's start. For it you will need 18 crystals, Bicon crystals in 4mm. I have here pink Czech crystals. Those are with AB effect. Then I have here zirconstone in 2mm. Here I have pirate stone as well, 2mm. I will use it on the top of my pink crystals of 4mm. Then I have here Japanese Toho seed beads in size 15. These are those. This color is TR1524. And Czech seed beads size 11 in silver, and Czech seed beads silver lined size 10 in this bronze gold color. Needle and thread. I take straight away quite long thread at around 2 meters. Of course it might be a bit hard to work, but I will try to do like that because I don't want to add more thread to my flower where I will work. I want to do everything with one thread. Then as well we will need 2 sequins. I have here sequins in 4mm, just a flat sequence to cover our holes on the pin. As well we will need Japanese pins. Japanese pins, here I have 25mm, 2.5 centimeters, but it might be a good idea to take 20mm if you have this kind of opportunity, because it will fit as well. But I have in stock 25mm Japanese pins, that's why I will use them. And I need to find 2 sequins in matching color to my pin and prepare it as well to attach pin when it will be ready. Before I try to create these brush pins same way as we created our earrings, as you remember on my channel we created this kind of earrings, and I wanted to make out of this earring brush. But in the technique I use, when I started to attach the pin to this side, to this part, the crystal just jumped out, and I needed to find other way to make it more secure, and I decided to add round bead inside. Here I have a bead crystal, it's 8mm, and we will start. We start with 18 seed beads size 10